Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the Cylon RGB floor mid-tower case by AreoCool. What's cool and interesting about this case is that it has 13 RGB lighting modes and the fact that it's a mid-tower case. It's not as big as the standard ATX case. Let's go over to the side of the box here. So here you have an acrylic side panel. It says that it doesn't include the power supply and the card reader is included in the case. The case is black in color. Over in the back here is some additional details about the case, and let's zoom in here. So the case type is mid-tower and the steel thickness is 0.5 millimeters. Supports motherboards ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX. Supports two 3.5-inch hard drive bays and two 2.5-inch hard drive bays. It supports several expansion slots and GPU clearance is 371 without the front fan and 346 millimeters with the fan. Supports CPU coolers up to 155 millimeters and mentions about air cooling, and it supports liquid cooling as well. Alright, so let's open up the box and have a look inside. Alright, so this is the front of the case. You can see the white looking plastic LED strip. It supports 13 RGB modes. Here is the standard looking back. The power supply is mounted right at the bottom. This is the top of the case. It supports a fan there to provide cooling. So here you have the power reset buttons with support for headphones and microphone. There's 3 USB ports and a card reader. And here you have the button to switch the RGB lighting mode. I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws here that hold the acrylic panel. I prefer acrylic than glass because it requires very minimal precautions in handling. Glass can easily break and it makes the whole case a lot more heavier as well. And inside we have a user guide here on how to install the motherboard and how to install hard drives, SSDs and the radiator. I'm just going to tilt it to show you guys the inside of the case. Alright guys, and that comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.